What's up everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to swap from Tron to Ethereum using the Tronlink Wallet. So first thing you want to do is head on over to the depouch.com domain, make sure you're on the right website, then go ahead and press swap now, or swap up here. Then go ahead and press connect wallet, press Tron and press Tronlink. And that's because we're sending from the Tron network and we want to use the Tronlink wallet, okay? So now let's go ahead and search for Tron. There we go. We could also just out here select Tron and then find it. And then we want Ethereum, so it's already selected. Paste in our Ethereum destination address. And you know what? I'll just go ahead and swap like 10 Tron, I think. So I'll just paste in that amount. We can see that's about $3. And we can see here that the slippage is kind of high, but that's okay. It's because of the outbound fee of 25 cents and we're only swapping $3, so that's give us a kind of high slippage, but it's just a demonstration video, so it's okay. So all looks good to me, so press confirm swap. You'll see that the Tronlink Wallet will request your signing of the transaction, so go ahead and press sign. It says transaction submitted, and then we can see our transaction list has updated and it's swapping down here. So now it's currently swapping our 10 Tron to Ethereum. So let's just give it a few seconds. Okay, there we go. That was really quick. So now it says completed. So let's go ahead and check our Ethereum address. And if we check it, we can indeed see on the internal transactions that we have received some Ethereum right here, and that amount corresponds to the amount we were supposed to receive. So that's it. That's how you swap from Tron to Ethereum using the Tronlink wallet on depouch across chain DEX. Thanks so much for watching.